Alam natin na hindi biro magtrabaho sa ganitong init. Sa UAE, tinuturing nating bayani ang mga manggagawa. Kaya nakakatuwang makita ang isang humanitarian campaign tulad ng Al-Farij Fridge na naging posible dahil sa Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Global Initiatives, Virgin Dubai, UAE Water Aid Foundation at ang UAE Food Bank.
So what we do is we have a fridge that goes around the areas in Dubai and we hand out juices, ice cream and cold water to the workers, delivery drivers and so on, people that work outside. And the goal is try to ease the heat on them.
Thank you. Salamat.
Thank you.
Maganda to. Kailangan din namin ng konting pampalamig na ganito.
Maraming salamat at nakakatulong sila sa kapwa Pilipino at kapwa ibang lahi natin.
Maraming salamat nga pala sa Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Global Initiatives. Thank you.